saints and ain'ts, have you ever been a genius by way of another genius? Huh? I'm a genius today by way of 2 other geniuses. And I know what you are asking yourself is, what is my good cousin talking about today? I'm gonna tell you. Baby, I just installed the fly style. Okay, while my lips are setting, I must tell you what I did. Now, I started off using the good cousin Tatiana's crochet method when you got real short hair, right? Putting the cap on it, huh?
Put the cap on it, baby, huh?
And then in the midst of it all, the good cousin Marva was just right here. Like, girl, you know you could do something and make this faster. And I thought to myself, well, how? Because I got a teaspoon of hair. I don't have the hair that I used to have when I was doing the express crochet, and I could put my hand in the braids and then put them together and press them down and run it over like our blessings. I don't have that. What do I do? See, God will speak to you. Y'all got to realize, some of y'all ain't been going to, God will show. I used both of their methods, and it opened the door unto me. It's a wrap. If you have short hair like I do, that much, you can still do crochet. All you have to do is get these little twists, right? And put the cap on there. Get the cap on there good. Get your foundation, bam. Get you a twist, bam, put it there. Get you a twist, bam, put it there. Those are your twists. That's your hair, right? For all intents and purposes, right? Then you put another one up here, bam. Then you put another one up here, bam. You take your crochet hook or your beater, feed the beater, put it on that twist like it was yours. Bam, put it on that twist like it was yours. Bam, put them together. Do y'all understand what I'm saying to you? I hope you do. Think about the express crochet where you take your own hair. Only thing you doing is putting the crochet cap on, getting your perimeter, getting it all snug and stuff, cut off. You know I showed you this, Tatiana's method, right? Then, basically what happened was this. I had filled in up here and I had filled in up here, and then right in this section right here, it was a little limp. It was just a little, it just needed a little bit more hair right here. Then it came to me, girl, use Mara's Express Crochet, but then I was like, how? Take one of those twists and act like it's yuns, huh? Take another one up here, act like it's yuns. You understand me? Bead both of them, tie them together right here. You're going to have a rope of hair going across where you need it. So that's what I did. I'm going to show you the demo of what I did, but I had to come on. This was not even my intent, baby. I'm through with it. Let me just show you the demo. Hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Y'all, it just happens like this. You think I planned this? It just happened. Huh? You want to be a part of the K-Team channel members? Hit that join button. I'm through with it, y'all. Look at what I did.
I wish I had the same delusion that I do when I was 2 and didn't think that I could ruin anything at all. I could never fall. I wish I had that same conviction, convinced I never needed fixing. Yeah, that girl really knew her business. Where did she go? Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just owned it, but sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Wasn't really ready, no, I had to grow up, but it's so heavy and I'm feeling low. Unlearning all that was wrong for me, and I wish somebody would've it, should've warned it. No, they did, but I kept ignoring. Didn't wanna have to face it, but if I don't know, it's gonna break me, oh. Yeah, she thought she could do anything, thought she could get anywhere. Confident she's number one, and if nothing, everybody's wrong. Used to be calm, now I can't remember how I used to do it. That I was a member of Confidence Club, cause that don't last forever. I wish I saw what she saw, I knew. Like she knew, she knew, she knew. It's like sitting in a boat, wondering if it is going to float. Now that I've packed all my things, is there anything else I should bring? Yeah, all that shit that I can't. Man, that baggage is heavy. Baby, I got reason to worry. Please don't tell me I got reason to worry now.
Jag kollar dig hela tiden. Hej, hej. Nu ska jag zooma in dig lite så att jag kommer närmare dig. Då kan du säga hej mamma.
Hej mamma.
Hej pappa.
Hej pappa.
No, I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't. But sadly I've outgrown. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. I wish I saw what she saw. I wish I knew what she knew. I love how she just don't. But sadly I've outgrown it. I know I'm still that girl, but I don't know how to show it. Like she knew, like she knew, she knew, she knew. Baby, know that she knew. That girl knew. So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell her, shoot your shots. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living one manifest. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself. I've been happy, working hard just so I can say I told you so. I told you so. I don't need your approval to be myself. I got that on myself. Gracefully, gotta keep it cozy. I'ma take it slowly, one step at a time till my time is up. Why you stay mad at me? We gon' make mistakes, we gon' disagree. Are you so proud of me? If you just wait and see, you gon' ride. So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself. I've been happy, working hard so I won't have to cry when I'm older. I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to. Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather tell her, place. We're all living, won't be bad or fast. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So that was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. Feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.